Namaste, this is Oindrilla here. Today we are bringing tradition to life with our brushes. I'll be hand painting a kurta using acrylic colors and alpona motifs, an art form deeply rooted in Bengali culture. Stay tuned for tips to make your hand painting perfect. First, make sure your kurta is washed and ironed. Stretch it out on a flat surface and place a cardboard sheet inside to prevent color from bleeding. Using a white chalk pencil, lightly sketch the alpona motif. Here I am drawing directly over the fabric, but you can use a white chalk pencil before. Alpona designs are usually symmetrical and inspired by nature, featuring floral and geometrical patterns. Now let's start painting. Use fabric, acrylic colors and a thin brush for details. Start from the center and work outward. Apply even strokes and let each layer dry before adding details. Pro tip. Number 1. Use a sponge or stencil for even patterns. Number 2. Mix colors with a little fabric medium for a softer finish. Number 3. Seal the design by ironing on the reverse side after 24 hours to make it long lasting. And And that's it, a beautiful hand painted Alpona kurta ready to wear. Let me know in the comments if you would love more tutorials like this. Follow for more hand painted fashion ideas. Subscribe, comment, and like.